How to make a chicken feeder from PVC pipe. Step 1. Prepare the end caps and wooden stands. First, I chose 2 PVC end caps that fit snugly on the pipe. Around 90 to 110 millimeters in diameter is good. I placed them upside down on a piece of wooden board, about 1.5 to 2 centimeters thick. Then traced around the edges. Using a jigsaw or a handheld woodcutter, I cut out 2 A-shaped wooden pieces. These will be the side stands to support the feeder. Step 2. Prepare the pipe and drill holes. I picked a PVC pipe about 75 centimeters long. I measured and marked 6 evenly spaced spots along the length of the pipe. Then I used a hole saw drill bit to drill 6 round holes, each about 6 to 7 centimeters in diameter. These holes are for the chickens to stick their heads in and eat. Step 3. Make a refill door. Using a PVC cutter, or a sharp utility knife, I made a long cut along the pipe, about 50 centimeters in length. This serves as a flap door. I attached a small hinge, plastic or stainless steel, on one side of the flap and added a simple latch to close it securely after refilling the feed. This keeps dust and rain out. Step 4. Paint the pipe. Before painting, I taped off the inside of the holes and flap door to prevent paint from getting inside. Then I spray painted the outer surface of the pipe white. I let it dry for about 30 to 45 minutes. Step 5. Attach the wooden stands. Once the paint was dry, I placed the pipe horizontally and attached the 2 A-shaped wooden stands to both ends. I secured them with screws, tightening them well to make sure the feeder wouldn't tip over when the chickens peck at it. Step 6. Make a roof and stand frame. I reused an old metal frame, like from a broken school desk or shelf, to build a sturdy base. Then I added a piece of plastic sheet or thin metal panel on top to create a roof that protects the feeder from sun and rain. Step 7. Final setup and feeding. Finally, I brought the finished feeder out to the yard or chicken coop. I opened the flap door, poured in the chicken feed, then closed the door. That's it. The chickens can now come and eat through the holes, clean, tidy, and no spilled feed all over the place. Some notes and evaluation on this model. This DIY chicken feeder is cost-effective, as it makes use of affordable materials and even repurposed items like old metal frames or scrap wood. The feeder design is clean and efficient, reducing feed waste since chickens only peck through designated holes. It helps keep the feed protected from rain, sun and dirt, which ensures better hygiene and less spoilage. The refill flap makes it convenient to add feed, and the whole structure is sturdy enough for everyday farm use. With just a bit of effort and some basic tools, this feeder can be built in an afternoon, making it ideal for both backyard farmers and small-scale poultry keepers. Overall, it's a simple yet effective solution to improve feeding management and reduce mess in the chicken coop.